All right, so today we're going to do a sheepshank knot, and so this is for shortening like a long road of line. So what you're going to do is you're going to have your line, so each side is, let's say it's connected to something that was 100 feet, and now you want to shorten it up. So rather than untying it and doubling the line back and retying the knot, you could take and shorten the line from the middle, okay? So you create like an S pattern. And what you're going to do is on one side, you're going to take a loop, all right? So you're going to have the loop on top, the line on top of the loop running back to whatever is anchored or tied on, okay? And so you're going to take the shortened area that you're going to make and take that and stuff that through the loop, okay? And we're going to do the same on this side. We're going to take and make your loop, and the line is going to go away, is going to be on top, and then we're going to take the other part that we've looped through and we're going to stick it right through our loop. So all you're doing is you made two loops and you stuck the shortened area through the loops. Now what you're going to do is you're going to just kind of hold these two loops and just kind of keep it a little bit tight, and then you're going to pull your line. All right, now if you pull your line, what it's doing is pulling against itself in those loops. So you could really pull this and it's not going to go. It's not going to give because it's being held on by the friction that you just made. So what's nice about it is you could really pull, you could shorten it up even more if you want, and then to get it out, you just pull it through. There's no knots, no cleanup, nothing. So there you guys go. Thank you for watching.